Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to take you on an adventure to Yosemite National Park. I will show you the Philly cheese yo style of what to cook and eat at camp. So let's get started. Hey guys, so this is our first day at camp. We're staying at Tamarack Flats. So as you can see, we started our fires to prepare for our food tonight. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and marinate and prepare the chicken. I'm also going to slice the chicken on the sides, as you'll see, just to make sure that the marinade goes deep inside and the chicken cooks thoroughly. While the chicken is grilling, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the tom yum soup. I have 6 cups of water and I'm bringing it to a boil. I'm gonna use 4 spoons of tom yum soup base. You can find this at the Asian market. I also have tofu, shrimp, some mushrooms, tomato, and Thai basil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the base to the boiling water. Once the base has dissolved into the water, you're gonna go ahead and taste it just to make sure the flavor's good. And if it needs a little more base, you can go ahead and add it. If you like it to be a little more spicy, you can also add some more pepper. Once the soup is perfect to your taste, then you can go ahead and add the ingredients. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and add the raw shrimp in. Let that cook for a few minutes, and we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. For the fire grilled shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead and marinate it in a chili oil sauce. Just gonna marinate it right before we grill it. Now we're going to go ahead and grill the shrimp. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells delicious. Hey guys, so today's the second day at camp, and after a long day of hiking, we're exhausted, hungry, and ready to eat. So today I will be making bom thịt nướng, which is vermicelli noodle with grilled pork and shrimp egg rolls. As I have the fire going on in the back, I started boiling some water for the noodle in a large pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cucumber. For the veggies, I already prepped them at home, and the peanuts, roasted peanuts, and fried shallots. Let's get started. While I'm waiting for the barbecue pork to fully cook, I'm going to go ahead and start frying the egg rolls. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so today is the third day, the last day we're at Yosemite. We already packed all our stuff in the car. So we're on top of Glacier Point. You can see Half Dome right here. And the view, you can see Nevada Falls. Okay, that's it guys with our Yosemite camping trip. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.